I'm still running cabooses. It's just the same.
Just a little video of a couple of engines set up as a consist. Actually, I've had a couple Maryland Midlands that I have set up. They're MTH engines. Anyways, I figured I'd go ahead and do these because I've had them. I've had these longer than a couple years. These is what actually got me back into model railroading when I discovered the joy of DCC. Anyway, I've had these for a while, these two Norfolk Southern. One's a GP42-2, that is, and the other is a GP15. And I got them consisted. I put them back to back. The Maryland Midlands, they're GP38-2s. They're like, you know, front. They're both going front and forward. Anyways, I couldn't get the lights. It's okay. What happens when I reverse these, whether I'm running the consist in either one of those two loco numbers, only the ditch lights go in reverse. The headlights don't come on. But you know what? I don't know why. It's an Athearn, whatever thing, I guess. Anyways, I played with it for a little while to try to get them to, when I hit reverse, where all the lights would reverse, but maybe that don't happen. And I've been through the NCE book and the book that came with the Athearn. Anyway, I'm tickled. This is the longest train I've ever run on this little 19-foot long layout. 16 cars. And there's a escaped giraffe from the zoo there that the great-grandkids put there. Anyway, I was going to go ahead and put these maintenance away cars with the tie gondola and the gravel car, but we guys, we like to keep adding stuff, like when we make chili, and keep adding stuff. Anyways, it's a fun day in my room. See about I get a grade crossing horn signal. That's something else I'd like to be able to program into an Athearn Tsunami decoder, but I think you have to do something where it happens when you spike the voltage on the engine that's running. Anyways, coming around. Try one more grade crossing signal. Too long, short, long. Be nice to do that with one button. Still got to toggle it on the MTH one. Shift and F11 or 12. No, 11. Anyway, I'm tickled with 16 freight cars going around here. Just slow and sure. Anyways, quickie, thanks for watching.